Hello there. My name is Pramod Bangalore. Welcome to my show, Quote Unquote My Perspective, Episode 2. Today I'm going to give my perspective on the quote, rule your mind or it'll rule you. I see the photo of Lord Gautam Buddha. I'm going to go with the assumption that this quote is by the Lord himself. If that is the case, my assumption would be that the Lord is talking about not letting the materialistic world take over your thinking. Let me quickly hit the fast forward button and try to give my perspective on this quote from the materialistic world we are living in today. So, how does one control their mind and what do they control? I will start with a quote. Don't make a commitment when you are happy and restrain from talking when you are angry. So when you're too happy, if you make a commitment, you might regret later. Or at the same time, if you talk when you're very angry, you might regret later. So in so how does one control their mind? From my experience, one of the way I have found is trying to be very clear as to what is good for you and what is not. If you are trying to be someone else, then you are letting someone else's mind and someone else's thinking control your mind, which will rule your thinking. So be yourself. That is one way of you trying to control your mind. People are people who are successful, I feel, have been able to manage their emotions very well in their thinking. Find the right balance in thinking and emotions. I think more often or not, you are in a position to control your mind. Now, can we humans control our mind? Answer is my at least my answer is yes and no. When we keep ourselves positive and don't get influenced by the negativity around us, sometimes created by people, sometimes created by the nature, we stand a very good chance of being in control of our mind. However, at the end of the day, we are all human beings and emotions does take upper hand at situations, and we stand to lose the control on our mind whenever emotions totally take over the thinking, and at times we are helpless. Keeping our mind in control is easier said than done. At times it takes control, work sometimes and backfire sometimes. To conclude, the best approach for me to have a control on our mind is always have the approach of solutions to all problems. Try find solutions to problem. Don't keep on worrying about the problems. Also, do not find problems for all solutions. So always have the approach of solutions to problem, because I have seen people who kind over a period of time when they're going through too many problems start enjoying the problems and don't try to get solutions. That is when your mind has taken over you. You started enjoying your problems and you're not trying to find a solution. So finding solutions to all the problem, or the approach of finding the solutions to all problems, is definitely going to help you in taking control of your mind and thinking. Hope this gives a good perspective on this quote. Rule your mind or it'll rule you. Stay tuned, more is going to come.